forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on cross multiplication method. Problem number 1. A part of a monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So first, we have to find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. So first step, let fixed charge be rupees X and the cost of food per day be rupees Y. Now write for student A. Hostel charges is equal to rupees 1000. अब hostel charges means fixed charge plus charge for 20 days. अब charge for day is rupees Y. So charge for 20 days 20Y is equal to 1000. Give question number 1. For student B, hostel charges is equal to rupees 1180. Implies a hostel charge means fixed charge X plus charge for next how many days? 26 days. So 26Y is equal to 1180. Now we solve both the equation with the help of cross multiplication method. So this question by cross multiplication method. There are two equations. First write coefficients. 1, 1, 20, 26 minus 1000 minus 1180. Now x upon two brackets, in first bracket this into this, so minus 236 and 20 minus in second bracket this into this, so minus 26,000 equal to minus y upon hide this into this, so minus 1180 minus this into this minus 1000 is equal to 1 upon 26 minus 20. In first bracket 26, second bracket 20. This into this 26, this into this 20. X upon minus minus plus, so subtract 26,000 minus 23,000. 26,000 minus 23,600 and then this one 0 0 10 minus 6 4 5 minus 3 2 and 0 is equal to minus y upon minus 180 minus minus plus is equal to 1 upon 6. So therefore x upon 2400 is equal to 1 upon 6 and y upon 180 is equal to 1 upon 6. So x is equal to 2400 upon 6 is equal to 400, means fixed charge equal to rupees 400, and y equal to 180 upon 6 is equal to 30 rupees 30 per day. Next problem. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So first step, let number of correct answer be x and incorrect answer be y. According to problem, there are two cases. In first case, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So for right answer 3 marks and number of right answers x. So marks for right answers 3x. Then marks for and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So minus y. Because there are y answers, so minus y is equal to 40 marks. And second condition, 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. So number of correct answer x. So number of marks for correct answers 4x. And 2 marks been deducted. So minus 2y is equal to 50 marks. Equation number 2. Now solve these two problems, these two linear equations into variables by cross multiplication method. So first rearrange 3x minus y minus 40 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 50 equal to 0. Now write coefficient of x 3, 4, coefficient of y minus 1 minus 2 minus 40 minus 50. Now x upon first bracket minus second bracket minus y upon first bracket minus second bracket and 1 upon first bracket minus second bracket. In first bracket, write the coefficient of x and cross multiply. Minus 1 into minus 50 plus 50. Minus 2 into minus 40 plus 80. Minus y upon, right, middle term. 3 into minus 50 minus 150. And 4 into this, minus 160. Now 1 upon 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. More simplify, x upon 50 minus 80 minus 30 minus y upon minus 150 plus 160. So plus 10 and 1 upon minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. So therefore x upon minus 30 equal to 1 upon minus 2 and minus y upon 10 is equal to 1 upon minus 2. Next step, x equal to minus 30 upon minus 2 and y is equal to minus 10 upon minus 2. So x is equal to minus 30 upon minus 2, 15 and y is equal to 5. So number of correct questions 15 and number of incorrect questions 5. Therefore total number of questions, 15 is number of correct answer and 5 is number of incorrect answers. So total number of questions this plus this. So total number of problems is equal to 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Next problem. Place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So first statement, just see the last line of the question. What are the speed of the two cars? So let speeds of two cars be x and y kilometer per hour. And please remember this formula. Speed equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Now there are two places. Place A and place B. If both cars travel in same direction means A travel in that direction and B also in that direction. Speed of car है x. So case first. Case first. If the car travels in the same direction, then they meet in 5 hours. So distance covered by car A in 5 hours. Speed of car x km per hour and time is, so distance covered by car A is 5x. From here to here 5x. And distance covered by car B 5y. And they meet at that point. A distance between place A and B 100 km. So according to diagram, 5x, this distance is 5x, this distance is 5y. So 5x minus 5y equal to 100. So therefore 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Dividing both sides by 5. So x minus y is equal to 20. Give question number 1. Case second. If they travel towards each other, means if they are travels towards each other, then what happened? Again place A, place B, car A travels x kilometer in 1 hour. So distance traveled by car x kilometer and car B y kilometer in 1 hour. Because they meet after 1 hour. And total distance is 100 kilometer. So again according to diagram, x plus y is equal to 100. Give equation number 2. Okay, now solve these two equations with the help of cross multiplication method. 1 1 minus 1. First rearrange, first write in standard form. X minus y minus 20 equal to 0. X plus by plus c equal to. And x plus y equal to minus 100 equal to 0. Now coefficient of x 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 20 minus 100 x upon first bracket minus second bracket. In first bracket we write hide x and cross multiply minus 1 into minus 100 minus this into this minus 20 equal to minus y upon first bracket minus second bracket. This time hide this, so minus 100 minus 20 is equal to 1 upon 1 in first bracket or in second bracket minus 1. So x upon 100 plus 20 120 minus y upon minus 100 plus 20, so minus 80 is equal to 1 upon 2. Minus minus cancel. Therefore x upon 120 is equal to 1 upon 2 and y upon 80 is equal to 1 upon 2. More simplify. So x is equal to 100 upon 2 and y is equal to 120 upon 2 and y 80 upon 2. So x equal to 120 upon 2 60 and y is equal to 40. So speed of first car is 60 km per hour and speed of second car 40 km per hour. Yes, in this chapter सारे क्वेश्चंस को आप किसी भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं. एलिमिनेशन मेथड, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. अगर एग्जाम में पर्टिकुलर कहा गया हो कि अगर आपको इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से ही करना है तभी उससे करना, अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज एनी मेथड. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.